Hey, my little angels, come on in. Everybody, come in, come in. There's lots of room. I've redone this room, so there's a lot more comfy places to sit. We've still got the rocking chair for two, and we've got some cushions on the floor, and I got a whole bunch of those meditation cushions. They're over there. Sure, you can have the couch. Absolutely. Yeah. And I see we have some new angels with us. Hi, little angels. Thank you so much for coming. I'm so glad you're giving our channel a chance. Please feel free to like it, to share it. Sharing is caring. And comments are amazing, guys. I love the comments. I love watching you guys interact with each other. I love interacting with you. I love knowing what you think. I love your video suggestions. And every time we connect together, I just feel like we're taking this great big world and going and making it smaller, and that's a good thing. And please hit that subscribe button below. Can you? And I see my returning angels. Don't you guys think that I forgot about you? Hi. Thank you guys so much for always being so supportive and coming back. And please keep coming back and keep those comments coming, because I love hearing from you. So guys, can you believe it? We had 25,000 subscribers. And we're almost at 1 million views. Wow. Wow. So, I'm taking a page out of Lori's book. I have my drink tonight. And I want to show you a few things. So, I thought this was too busy, you know? And a lot of people said they like when I film in other rooms. I'm thinking, is the studio not good anymore? What? But so I've kind of straightened it out. I may move these perfume bottles, but I really like them for now. So, and I have my watercolor there that Southern Lady ASMR made me, and I've just reworked some things. So there's mugs, and I took that tumbler that was filled with the strawberry blenders, and I put all my crystals in it, and not all of them, but most of them, and my bracelets. I just think it looks pretty when the light hits it and whatnot. So in cleaning out, and I cleaned out all my drawers and the shelves behind me, just to make things more easy to get at and more organized, and to be perfectly honest, because I forgot about stuff. So in cleaning that out, I found some things that I wanted to show you. These aren't new, but they might have been new at one time. I just forgot to show them. So I will show you that in just a minute. But I did go to the dollar store and I got myself some sweets. So I got sour popping candy, the Warheads, and it's 3 flavors: watermelon, blue raspberry, and green apple. 3 flavors I normally can't stand, but I love popping candies. Now, let me know if you want me to do a short having the popping candies in my mouth with the microphone. I will not open my mouth, but let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in. The other thing I got, Tootsie Rolls. I love these things. I know nobody else does, but I do. And I also wanted to clear something up. In my birthday box unboxing from Lori Latte, I was so excited that I didn't get my glasses for the first part of it. And she had sent me some wax melts that Best Life by Brooke, who has an Etsy shop on, who has a shop on Etsy, Storytime Candles, had sent. And I said it was gingerbread breakfast. It's gingerbread boulevard, which makes a lot more sense. And they're fabulous, you guys. They're absolutely fabulous. Okay, so let me show you what I found. I remember getting this stuff because I wanted to do a facial with you guys, and I put it away and I forgot about it. So I'm going to show them to you, but then I'm going to film a second part. Remember when I did the late night Auntie Angel does your makeup? We're going to do a late night Auntie Angel does your facial. You'll see. You'll see when you see the video, which I'm hoping to film next, but we'll see. It might be a tomorrow video. But I found this. See, the problem was behind me I have shelves, but I have an old backdrop over it, so I can't see what's behind there. And I guess I had put this there planning to do a video, and I think it was when I was sick that last time. But anyways, I found this sweet bag, cosmetic bag. Look at that pink bow. But I just really, and it's got little dots, they're dots. And the little pink lace all over it. And I just really like the sound it made. So I'm gonna open it. And wait till I show you guys. Oh, it's a 2-zipper, so even better. And when this is empty, it just collapses, which I love. Okay, so this is the stuff. Some of this I have used, but I have, you know what, I'm just going to take them out as they come. This is a Sleep Well roller. There's a lot of lavender in it. Roll, 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 roll. And we're definitely going to be using that. And we already had this, our face cleaner. And I love this because my thumb fits perfectly in there because I have the curved thumb. So I'll be able to do these. You know, this is going to be really good. I hope, anyway. I'm saving one for last, though. I can't tell you how excited I was when I saw it. And look at this. I'd love to say that this is jade crystal. Yeah, but I'm not rich. It's plastic. But for our intents and purposes, it's going to be jade. But I love that it's see-through. And you can do this side to get, you know, the bigger muscles. And you can use this side to get the smaller. It's going to be really good. I hope, anyways. And then I do have the Malin and Goetz Mojito Lip Balm. Now this wasn't in this box. I just added it. That came from the FabFitFun flash sale. FabFitFun flash sale. And I added this one into our barber brush. But I just love this. So I'm embarrassed. I really am that I can't believe I forgot about this. And I did add the Elemis Hydra Boost Day Cream. We're going to be doing the facial with this too. Except for our intents and purposes, it'll be a night cream, but it's okay. And I did get one of these. A great exfoliator as long as you use something a thick foaming cleaner. I think it works the best with that. Okay. Oh, and then I also have this one. It's a de-stress roller. Oh, that smells so good. And I'll be rolling that onto your temples. Yeah, I hope you guys really like this video. And it will be completely whispered too. So I'm going to put that aside. And then I haven't used this yet, because this is not what I thought I was buying. in the picture, but I don't read the fine print, right? In the picture, it had flowers in it. That's when and it said ice roller, so I just thought it was a plastic or something. But no, you're supposed to fill it yourself. It's nice, thick, but what you're supposed to do is fill it up in here, and I guess you can add the flowers at the bottom, and then close it up and put it in your freezer. Close it up. It's flat, so it'll stand up. You put it in your freezer, and then when you take the lid off, it's ice. I don't know that I like the idea of ice like that against your skin. I prefer there to be something between the ice and your skin. I just think that's safer for your skin. But I thought this kind of makes cool sounds. So I might just use this for something else. I might freeze it the one time just to see what it looks like. You know, finally got it closed. But we'll see about that, okay? And then, I know I've shown you these two before for the acupressure and the acupoints and pressure. See that? And again, like it's very cooling, and you can really get those lymphatics drained. And again, these should be jade, but I'm not rich. But we will be using these. Like I said, it's going to be whispered and everything. And then our dear baby angel, my daughter, has gotten a whole bunch of these. I think she bought a box of 100, but I think they're so cool. Sorry about that. I think these are so cool. They're applicators. They're disposable applicators, and you can kind of see the divot that's in there. So what you do is you go into your bottle to take it out, and you can use it. And they're great if you're doing someone else. But like I said, they're disposable. And I think she got a box of 100. So I think these are great. And we're definitely going to be using these. I like the way they sound too. I hope you guys do too. And then, these were in there and I don't know why, but man, do I ever like them. These are earrings. Aren't they sweet? And the back is the backing. So you put it in like this. You guys can't see what I'm doing. You see? And you put it in like that. I just think they're so pretty. I'm going to put them on tomorrow, I think, for a video. But I wanted to show them to you now. Yeah, we all know I need another brush, like I need a hole in the head. But when you see this, you'll understand. You'll understand. Tell me you understand. Isn't it pretty? Look at this, you guys. It's bejeweled. It's bejeweled. I could do a whole video with just this brush, I'm telling you. Look at how pretty. Isn't it great? Now you understand why I couldn't resist, right? I mean, seriously, just look at this. I love this. And it's so shiny. And it's so pretty. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I think it is anyways. I really do. Okay. And I do have one more thing to show you, but let's put all of these back in. Okay. If you have a favorite sound, let me know. Just tell me in the comments. I love that sound. I love this furry mic cover. And our two rollers. And I think these are called guansha. Anyways, we'll be using that. And this. So luxurious. Like I said, I just really like the sound of this. I might freeze it once just to see what happens after the kitchen's done. Because guys, like look at this, and I can't believe I forgot about this freaking thing. It even has little pockets to put things, like tubes or brushes or whatever you want. So we're definitely going to be using that later tonight. And we were working on the kitchen today, getting it ready for the demo. And oh my gosh, talk about cleaning things out and finding things I forgot all about. Cleaning out 20-year-old junk drawer. Ugh. But it worked out pretty well, and we worked together, just the three of us, and it went a lot faster than I thought it was going to, which was really, really good. That made me happy. Another thing that I got, and I'm going to record this video right after this one, because I want it to be a little darker when I do the facial video. I got a new book, you guys, so we're going to do a reading one, and it's A Chicken Soup for the Soul, Kindness Matters, because we're all about kindness, right, guys? 101 feel-good stories of compassion and paying it forward, and that's by Amy Newmark. I love these books, I really do. And for those new people that are coming, when I do these books, I have faith, so you can have whatever faith you want. I believe that when I open this book, I will land on a story that someone who's watching is supposed to hear. And so I never pre-pick them. And what I like about these is because there's no, there's no illustrations, you don't even have to look at the screen. You can just listen and hear me reading and droning on, and you can just tune out and go to sleep. So like I said, I will be doing this one right after this video. So I wanted to show you guys this stuff, and I hope, was there anything else? No, like I said, I cleaned up, so I've put the new pink roses over here, and our breathing buddy is right here. I might turn that on for the videos. I put the crystal canisters back there, and the perfumes are still there, but I may move those and make it something else. I'm not sure what yet, but I like the way the light colors are jumping out, so I think I might do the same on this side. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. I might even put, I gotta be careful because these are touch activated. I might even put our lights. It's the top if I had touch it. I might put these there. Right now they're on my table. I use a tea trolley as my recording table. But I love these. I love anything iridescent, and I love anything crystal. I know they're plastic, but for intents and purposes, they're crystal. Alright, you guys, so that's it for now. Please always remember that I love you. I value you. I honor you. And I'm so very, very glad that you were born.